They are fighting a forest fire right there on that island.
Riding through northern Ontario's wild embrace. With every trail, I'm finding my pace. The cobalt mines calling Deegan's name through trees so tall, where the lakes reflect the sky, sunset and all. Mud, sweat and gears, adventures tailored for the brave pioneers. Through grit and grind, we conquer all our fears, living the dream with mud, sweat and gears.
Well, we made it to our campsite. Problem is, let's see if I can zoom in a little bit here. They are fighting a forest fire right there on that island. And we are on this island. So we just pulled up and this is a beautiful campsite. But we're not doing much right now as far as setting the tent up or anything until we get the all clear from these guys. I did talk to the M&R guy that was at the launch there where we put the boat in. He had the drone up in the air and he said that we should be okay. He said just putting it out, it was 0.3 hectares, so. But we all know how things can change, so we're not taking any chances. We got the boat ready to rock and roll just in case, but hats off to them for being on this quick. He said he's never seen these guys respond so fast to get out here and put this fire out. So they're cutting down trees and everything in there right now, so it's pretty incredible. Pretty incredible. So stay tuned. Thanks for tuning into another episode of Mud, Sweat, and Gears. We're doing some trolling. We figured we'd let the Rangers work. We just finished setting up camp there and we're letting them do their thing. They're fighting a fire like literally right across from us, about 100 feet, so we know we're safe. We got the all clear from the ministry guy at the road there that had the drone up in the air, so we're just giving them some space, letting them do their job. So we figured we'd go out for a troll. So thank you to all the new subscribers. We're over 1,500 now. You guys are incredible. Thank you very much. I'm not going to tell you exactly where we are yet. This might be another little secret honey hole, but we're in the backcountry. We're off grid. We're not near a road, that's for sure. You're only going to get to our campsite by boat. So I don't know what's in here yet for fish, but hopefully we're going to find out soon enough. Well, they're definitely hitting something because we got a lot more smoke now. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit here. Can't really see much, but she just came poofing out of there. So they're hitting the hot spots hard. If we see flames, we're out of here. We are out of here. I mean, we're on our own little island, so we're kind of isolated at least. But it's not the fire that would be dangerous, it's the damn smoke. All right, we're going to check out where the fire was because we seen some flames pop up and a lot of smoke, and the fire crews are gone, which is not a good thing. Oh yeah, I see all the smoldering going on in there. I got a bucket with me. I don't know what help I'm gonna be, but I just want to make sure we're gonna be safe for the night. They said we should be all right, but I mean, I don't know. It's a little sketchy. Look at all the burnt rock, eh? Look at all the smoke in there. Oh yeah, I see flame. Oh shit. Yeah, we definitely got flame. Oh, they left the hose and everything here. With the pump, by the looks of it. Maybe they just went to go grab another crew. There's even a life jacket here. Maybe there's somebody still here that they left behind to maybe keep an eye on it for the night. I don't know. This is strange. I've never been a part of a forest fire before, so I think that was... I don't think there was anything up here. I don't think. I do see smoke right there. I don't think there was anything around here. And you know what this is from? This is from some idiot that was camping likely last night, didn't put his fire out properly, and this is what happens. I mean, we're kind of caught between a rock and a hard place right now. Yeah, we could pack up and move, but it's already like, what, 8:30 at night? There's not many options here. Obviously, my kid's safety comes first. We're gonna go by again a little closer to shore because I want to see those flames. It's not helping either because the wind's picking up big time. The wind is definitely not helping. There was 4 of them that were here fighting it. Sounded like a couple of them with a chainsaw, cutting down some of the trees. Yeah, that's a lot of smoke in there. That's a lot of smoke. Oh yeah, you can really smell it. Yeah, she's not done yet. I don't know how safe it's gonna be for the night. I don't understand why they left the life jacket and toolbox and everything behind. They have to be sending another crew out. Let me have a look here. Oh yeah, there's the flame. There's a flame right in there, smoldering away. All it's going to take is a couple good gusts of wind. Oh man, this is not good. Problem is, I don't know if I'm going to be able to trek in there with the bucket, sure, but the problem is I'm wearing friggin' Crocs. You know how hot that ground's probably gonna be? That's probably not gonna feel too good on the feet, but if I can do what I can to help. This is not what I had in mind. I don't even know if we're gonna get up that. Just sit down, bud. It drops off pretty good here, but what is that? Is that the hose?
Yeah, it is. It's the hose.
Okay, so they left the hose here too. So they're coming back. I think they just took their their little generator or whatever they use to fight it with. Yeah, like it's smoking right there on the other side of this rock. Yeah, we're gonna get out of here. We're not exactly dressed. Look at that, I just seen a spark. Oh man, this is bad. My family's right there. My oldest daughter, my youngest daughter, right there on that island. Like, what, 100 feet away? I mean, yes, we got the water to separate us, but that doesn't mean nothing because all it takes is one good amber and the wind to change direction and it's gonna land right on our campsite. And with how bloody dry it is, we're done. So what we're gonna do tonight actually is we're gonna take shifts. Ryley and I are gonna take shifts staying up. And if we see a lot of flame, we're done, we're out of here. I got lots of flashlights and everything. I've got my app on my phone. I know exactly where I'm going. I know where the shallow spots are in this lake. But this is not good. Stay sitting for a minute, Sonny. I just can't believe that. When they left, like it was nothing. We were all good, but now. Especially that one spot right there, that's got me on edge. But they wouldn't leave all the stuff here if they weren't coming back. They were probably here for hours fighting that. So either they're coming back first thing in the morning would be my guess. I don't think they're gonna send a crew out at night.
Oh, hear that?
But it is possible. I don't know. We'll play it by ear and we'll keep you guys posted what happens here. Good morning, everyone. We got our nice coffee. Getting ready to brew here. You gotta have the Java in the morning. We still got some smoke and some flames popping up on the island across from us. It was a long night, let me tell you. Ryley and I took shifts, just keeping an eye on it. At one point we thought for sure we were gonna have to grab everything and go. We had 3 little spot fires and they all pretty much connected, and I got some nice photos of it. It looked crazy. I took a picture and it looked like there was somebody standing there holding a candle. It was crazy. Absolutely crazy, but what a beautiful, nice cool morning out. Nice cool morning out. So we're definitely definitely gonna try some fishing this morning. We do have thunderstorms rolling in, the clouds over that way, not looking too good. We'll see what happens, but and we're gonna see if we can see a moose or a bear today, definitely. So stay tuned for that. Well, we're going for a fish. The rangers are still over there. They done a good job. They've been there since, 8 o'clock this morning they showed up. And it's now, I don't know, 11:30, 12 o'clock, something like that. So yeah, they soaked it pretty good in there. So we're gonna go try a fish. Now that we know that we're out of the worst of it anyways. I want to see what's up there. That's got me curious. Up there and then we'll work our way back, because being it's all pretty much midday now, usually this is the slow time for fishing, but because this lake is not very popular, we'll give it a shot. Beautiful loon. Oh, just dove down. Oh, I see the campsite on that island where the fire was. So that explains it. That explains it. Some idiot likely camped there last night, or the night before. Didn't put the fire out properly, and well, that's what happens. Look, I remember my net this time. This is a gorgeous lake. There's so many islands and so many bays, so many spots for the fish to hide. That up there has got me intrigued. Like, I don't know if that's a bunch of boats or if that's a bunch of rocks or what is that? Right? Like, does it not look like a bunch of boats? Or am I just seeing things? Throttle now. This is turbo mode. Bunch of boats. I knew I wasn't seeing things. So this is the portage. Like another campsite maybe there. Last time I was here was 4 years ago. It certainly wasn't this busy. That is insane. That's a lot of friggin' boats, man. Look at all that. Lake Heritage Lodge, yeah. Well, we're definitely not going to be taking any of them or anything. But yeah, that's a lot of boats. We'll just do a circle and we'll just go up in here where the shade is. See if we can pull out any honkers. Nice. I don't remember it being like that. This was almost, this kind of reminds me of the Wascasina portage. I don't know, let's see if we can get anything here. I've never fished this particular lake, so this is all new to me. I couldn't tell you what the hell is in here. I would assume there's bass. Oh, you need the worms? There you go.
Thank you, Daddy.
Well, there's fish because I just got a bite right there.
You just did?
Yes, I did.
Why should a real life and then if he bites yours again?
Might be little guys. We're coming in hot over this.
But Daddy, we didn't.
Relax, I got it. I got it. That's one thing I do remember about this lake. It almost feels like it has a current.
Okay, and then I'll bring it over to my side. Well, I can't take it. We're gonna have to switch spots, I think. Which spots I know?
No, you can each just jig off the side of the boat. That's all I'm doing, just jigging off.
That's it.
Drops off quite nicely here.
I can then hook it. Or you can then hook it. Yeah. Sometimes I'm not really good at it. Here we go. Fishing time.
Drop her down. Drop her down. And we got the Addinator, a fishing pole.
Yeah.
She's all set now too.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, baby. Just press this button.
Deegan, tell her.
Don't reel it.
She'll get it.
You have to do this like my rod. Just like my
Oh, I was getting a nice bite there.
Button.
Push the button and drop it in the water. There you go, let it sink.
And now you just pull it up a little.
Slowly, slowly.
Oh, my leg's asleep.
Oh, you're fishing over there.
What a nice little area. Beautiful little area. Look at all the structure in here. Crazy.
I did it, Maddie.
Push the button, drop it down. Don't be trying to hook anybody in the face again. My goodness. That was a close one. I've got enough hooks over the years from all you kiddos. Oh, Deegan, up. There you go. I know you're curious as to what's down there, but you gotta pay attention to where you're dropping her down so you don't get all snagged up. As I bet you there's something lingering down there in the depths. Early in the morning or in the evening would probably be good here. This would be a good pike lake, I think. Especially at night. Oh, the wind is crazy today. It's blowing us everywhere. Let me try to get us out of here. Hold on a minute. Hang on a sec. Spin us around to where it's deeper. I can fire the motor up and get us on the other side. Might as well check out over there.
I'm gonna help. I can't switch it that way.
The M&R guy said he's got reports of tons and tons of bears and moose back in here, so hey, maybe we'll get lucky enough. Wouldn't that be something, eh? Almost looks like maybe it was a campsite here at one time. Or maybe a old portage trail, maybe. Looks too beaten down. I see a nice log going right down into the water. That's got my attention now. Two of them right in between. Let's see what we got in here. That looks interesting. Drop it down, baby.
Okay.
Let's let that sink down. See if we can pull a slob out of here. pretty sure there's walleye, pike, and bass in here, if I remember from the map. If I remember from the map. Might be good to try my spoon up and through here. The Deeganator's all tangled up. There you go. You be careful, little girl. You're gonna get a hook in your own finger. Did you clean me out? No, I still got it. Just drop it down. Let go of the button. There you go.
There we go, I did it.
There you go. See?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Lots and lots of structure right here.
Daddy, please help me.
You're okay. Just leave it down there until you start feeling nibbles.
But I don't see a fish anywhere.
You won't see them likely. This isn't the other lake. Deegan, what are you doing?
Trying to cast out.
Don't cast out. There's not enough room to do major casting here. We only got the little tin can.
Especially not when you don't know what to do.
Okay, push the button, baby. We're going in the shore.
Yes, I dropped it down, Daddy. Now let's reel it. Reel. I get a fish.
That drops off quite nicely.
I dropped it down, Daddy.
We came across what looks to be another nice looking campsite. Are those big rocks in front of us? Okay. All right, I'm gonna pull the motor up.
Pull it up.
Oh yeah, okay. I still hear the rangers going at it. Wow. Wow, that's a big rock. Good thing I pulled the motor up. Get your poles up, keep your poles up. As mine's about to get tangled too. Just face them out the other side of the boat.
Daddy, we did it.
Let me see your pole, Addie.
This isn't our campsite, Addie.
We're just checking this one out.
Daddy, we're just checking it out.
Riley's gonna check her out.
Daddy, you want to camp here or camp at that one? Up here.
Hold on, wait. Sit down. Everybody sit down till the boat is secured. You know the rules.
Those are the rules.
That's good enough. That's good enough.
And it's all mud.
Perfect. Okay, hop on out. One at a time.
I don't need first. Because I'm a big boy. I'm just seeing some freedom in my life back here.
Ah,
You can nail it and buckle our life.
that's my daughter for you. Hey, you're advertising? I vape, but at least I somewhat conceal mine, you know. Jesus.
Smokes are bad for you kids.
Yeah, smokes are bad for you. Just leave them in the boat. Ignore that, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure we don't float away. Oh, yeah. This is nice.
I know, dude. I want to camp here.
We got a table here. We got
I want to camp here.
a little bench to sit on.
We can put the tent.
Got a grate for when you don't have a fire ban. Now, you have a mission. See if you can find a thunder box. If it's got a thunder box, this is going on our bucket list. The only question is, where would I put the tent?
Daddy, they were using that rock like to make tools, I think.
Maybe.
Like the smashed nail.
You're okay. I'm looking for the
No trail.
flattest spot.
Oh, Daddy, I found the flattest spot right here.
Yeah, but it's not big enough. Gotta remember, we got a bigger tent.
Daddy, looks so full of this
Well, that's what I mean. There's a trail here, so I have a feeling this probably leads to the Thunderbox. What the hell was that?
Is there animals on here?
Well, of course there's animals. We're in bear country. We're deep in bear country. Okay, she's going back with Big Sis.
Now this trail connects to this trail.
Well, we're not gonna wander too far.
Oh, who's there?
I think this just leads to different spots around.
Daddy, this would be a perfect trail.
So you got one that goes up and kind of connects again.
Daddy, I found
One that goes up there.
I see a perfect place right here. We live on top of these eggs. Oh, it's not so. Actually, no, right here.
No, it's still too small.
Oh. Oh.
So I mean, we just got lots of trails, but that's okay.
Yeah.
This is a spot where you build your own Thunderbox.
Can we go follow this one?
This is what I like. You know why? Because nobody's here. We weren't hiding from you. Don't run, not near the cliff. All right. Well, we're gonna definitely put this on our radar because I like the looks of this, but we might have to bring the smaller 10 and minimal crew if we come here. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Oh. Put a chair right out here. Go for a swim right there. Sit right here and just cast. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, what is that? Oh, guess what I found? Guess what I found, ladies and gentlemen? Da 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 da. I found the Thunderbox. I think it's seen better days. Well, what's left of one maybe? Yeah, literally what's left of one. Yummy! So needs a little bit of paint, you know, maybe a little bit of woodwork. We could fix that up.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. Oh.
Yeah, that one's a little outdated,
Hey, Dad.
but in a pinch, it would work.
Riley's trying out something. Do you have
You're going pee on that? Oh, this I gotta see. Go ahead.
But I want you to hold me.
To hold you? Why do I gotta hold you? Okay, well, she's not even gonna bother, ladies and gentlemen. Watch this. As soon as we get up close to it, she'll change her mind and just go squat somewhere in the woods. You wanna go pee in there, eh?
What's a Thunderbox?
I told you. Well, that one's a little beat up. It's seen better days. We'll camp here eventually. We just have to bring the smaller tent, smaller footprint, that's all.
How about the upper tent? The upper tent.
Well, this got it more interesting. Look at that sky. You can see the rain in the distance and the lightning. She's pouring over there. It's pretty much all around us. We're supposed to get hit with another cell, well, quite soon actually. So we're kind of hunkered down here. Oh, here comes some canoers. You guys shouldn't be out on the water. The wind has somewhat died down, but earlier, even if I wanted to launch my boat in an emergency to try to get out of here, I wouldn't have been able to do it. This was like a friggin' river. The wind was blowing so strong that way, well, we gotta go that way. Here's our little water filtration system. Works great. I actually doubled up on it. So we got it filtering through our main filter here. And then we put it into a cup. We got a little 4-pack of collapsible cups. And then we use these as straws. So double filter. Can never be too careful. Especially when you're drinking out of, obviously, lakes. And this lake, you know, isn't the clearest or the cleanest, but so far so good. No one's got the poops yet. So we'll let you know what happens. But we've been hearing this for a couple hours now and we haven't had a drop of rain, so maybe we'll get lucky and it'll just keep going around us. But she's looking a little sketchy. We're somewhat ready to go. That's a lot of stuff. Don't look like much, but when you add all that up, obviously the life jackets we wear, and then you add all our chairs up in that little boat, plus that, yeah, that's a bit of a load. But fire band's still on. We got our garbage up there that we're gonna take back with us. Whoever camped here before us left some garbage in the fire pit, so we're gonna take that back with us too, clean it up. But there's a thunder box here too, which is nice on this site. I love it. Nothing better than taking a crap staring at the lake, isn't it? Let's go have a little walk over here. We're gonna try our luck fishing tomorrow morning. See what happens. We haven't been able to do much because we've been keeping such a close eye on the fire, right? So, but now it's officially out. They were here for hours and hours today. They're incredible. Did an amazing job. There's our crapper. So, short little walk, but at least you don't have to smell it in the middle of the night. Where did those canoers go? That's a good question. There was 4 of them out here earlier and they looked like they were lost. They were going in circles. I don't know if they were looking for the portage entrance to the other lake, which I know where it is. It's just right over there. But there's so many islands and so many bays in this lake. So easy to get lost and turn around if you're not experienced, basically, or you don't have a map. Don't know how to read a map, whatever. I just use my map app. It shows me all the portage routes and all the canoe trails, like everything. It's awesome. I love it. It's a new update that I literally just got the day before we came here. So couldn't ask for a better time. The app just keeps getting better and better. Well, the kiddos are tapping out. Which isn't a bad thing. Their first small backcountry camping trip. It is cold this morning, ladies and gentlemen. Obviously with the fire ban in effect, well, we ain't got much choice for warmth. And it is windy. We got absolutely pummeled, and I mean pummeled, with rain last night. It thunderstormed for, what time did it start at? 10:30 until I think it finally let off and stopped around 2 a.m. Steady downpours, constant lightning, thunder, which is great. We needed it. We needed it. But to go from plus 36 degrees yesterday and we woke up this morning and it's 6. That's a 30-degree difference. So no wonder the kids are a little cranky this morning and cold. I mean, they're dressed. They got thick layers on and everything, but we're gonna call it. We're tapping out. Now, I don't want their first little experience to be a bad one, so we're gonna have a coffee, warm up a little bit. Thank God the sun's peeking up right now, so it's warming things up a little bit, but we're gonna pack things up and we're gonna head back to the truck. Right, Deeganator? And Addinator? Oh, they're a little cranky. That's okay. It was a fun time. Can't complain. I know I had a blast. They had a blast. We went out on the boat. It sucks we didn't catch any fish, but hey, that's fishing. Sometimes you catch them, sometimes you don't. So we'll tune you back in once we get to, there's some nice scenery on the way back. So we'll tune you in there just before we sign off. Well, we're off. Heading back. Lots of campsites. I love this lake when the weather cooperates, but she's getting pretty dark over that way. Windy and cold. And we got a hell of a boatload too, let me tell you. She's full. Very full. We got to go through a little narrow up here. Very narrow, let me tell you. That one there should have her damn life jacket on. Yeah, you can swim all right. Even I got mine on, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. See that? But you can't train them all, I guess. Stubborn. This is gonna be fun. It's so bloody windy out. Oh, water right in the face. Thank God it's not a big lake by any means, but she's still wild enough. So I want to thank you for tuning into this episode of Mud, Sweat, and Gears, Backcountry Edition. And remember, until next time, camp safe, camp smart, look after one another, and we'll see you on the campsite. Thanks for watching. Oh man, this looks real sketchy now. All right, we're gonna have to paddle through this really hard. We're gonna have to paddle through this really hard.
Blood, sweat, and gears.